Hi there, and welcome to the setup and demo for Savvy Social Siphon basic version. Okay, as you can see here, I've already installed the plugin. It's installed the way plugins are usually installed onto WordPress. If you have any problems with that, give me a shout at support@earnablemedia.com. Okay, now we'll go over and insert a Savvy Social Siphon on a post or page. You can do it on posts or pages that you already have, or you could do it on posts or pages that are new. It's entirely up to you. I'll go to one that I've already put in, which is this one here, video marketing. So I'll just go through and edit it. And then you scroll all the way down till you get to a form called video pop-up. Then you click the activate pop-up. That will activate the pop-up on the post or page. You put in a video URL from YouTube or Vimeo. As I said, you can use other people's videos. You don't have to use yours if you are too worried about creating a video or anything like that. At the moment, so that I can just show you how to use someone else's video, I'm going to use a video for the iPad. So I'll just insert that into there. Now you can change the video width. I'll just change that to make the width a bit smaller. I'll leave the height as it is. You can set it to autoplay or not autoplay. I'll leave it as not autoplay for now. Then you need to activate the close button, so when they finish watching the video and they've liked it and pinned it or done whatever social action you want them to do, they can shut it down. Now you can put in a title, as I mentioned before, so I'll just put in one that's setup and demo Savvy Social Siphon, and then we'll just call that basic, so we know what it is. You can make that bold. You can change the color like I'm going to do now. You can change the background color as well. Change the background color. So that's changed. The font size, that looks okay. You can add a watermark. So watermark, just in case you're using someone else's video, not yours, you can just put your URL onto the video as well. So that keeps your URL in the person's mind and not the site that the video is coming from. So I'll just put earnablemedia.com there. Just make that bold, and I think I'll just change the color so it's a nice color. And then I think I should change the font size so it's a bit bigger too. Okay, so that's done. And then you choose whichever social media buttons you want to put on. Now you can put on only Facebook if you just want Facebook. You can put on only Twitter. You can put on all four. It's entirely up to you. Just to show you what it looks like, I'll put in all four. And now the border width, that's just the border around the pop-up. I'll change that to 15. That makes it a bit bigger. The border color, I'll change that to a bluey color. So that's that done. The overlay, I'll leave that at black. It's for the basic version, you can only set up a pop-up trigger, so that's that done. The delay is how long you want the person to be on the site before you show the pop-up. At the moment I've set it to 0, so it should come up immediately. Exit pop-ups, as I said, are not on this version, so that's only for the exit pop-ups on the Pro version. Repeat is how many times you want to show the same person the video, whether you want to show it to them anytime they come to the site or just once. That's where you set that. So we've set everything we need to set now, and so we go to update. So that's just updating there, and now we can go and view the post. So the post should come up in a few minutes, and there you have the pop-up and the video. So you can see we've put it in our title, so our title is showing. We have our URL down there, and then we have the buttons that we put on there. So if they click on Facebook like, it will take them to their Facebook page with a link back to your home site for them to write something. So that's a good thing. It doesn't take them to the home site of the owner of the video. It's someone else's video, but it's taking the URL sends them to your home URL. So that's for the Facebook like. Just shut that down. So we'll check Twitter. I don't think I'm logged into Twitter at the moment. Yes, I'm not logged in, but as you can see, once again, it's putting your URL. You can change that. You can put in anything you want to put in. Sorry, they can put in anything they want to put in there. Google Plus, the same thing. It just takes them to Google Plus so they can add a comment, or they like this site or things like that. Other people check it out. And same thing with Pinterest. It takes them to Pinterest. When they click on the Pinterest button, it will take them to their Pinterest page, and so you can see it's put the video in there. That's one of my Pinterest boards. They can create a new board, and then they can put in a description of the video there, and then they click pin it. So you can see it actually caters for all the main social media sites. Thank you very much for buying Savvy Social Siphon, basic version.